Okay, Corja, Fáilte Gael Mhic Goill Mhic Goill hon Féile na gCloigíní Gorma fihe ceathair. Welcome everyone to Gael-Ionad Mhic Goill to launch the Féile, the gCloigíní Gorma or the Bluebell Festival for 2024.
Having been founded by Upper Springfield community organisers in 2017 during a harsh period of severe austerity, ever-increasing poverty and a worsening mental health crisis, this unique community festival is growing every year under the watchwords of community, solidarity and well-being.
This festival is a wonderful celebration of community, health and the local environment. Now celebrating its 8th year, it continues to go from strength to strength. From the start, the driving force of the festival was the health and well-being of the local community, with a focus on addressing issues which affect the local community, particularly those around mental health. It gives people the opportunity to reconnect with the stunning landscape around them. They get out and enjoy the incredible nature, and we have some of the very best of that just sitting here at the foot of the Black Mountain.
This festival, which is rooted within the values of community, solidarity and well-being, continues to flourish year after year right here in the heart of the Upper Springfield. In the middle of May, the renowned Black Mountain hatchet field bursts into that symphony of Indigenous white bluebells, reminding us of life's beauty, our natural surroundings and our profound ties to both community and heritage. Reflecting on the strides that were made last year, we pay homage to the pioneers of the inaugural 1973 festival, whose torch of hope ignited the path for Féile na gCloigíní Gorma.